Welcome to your H2Ocean Ultimate Tattoo Care video tutorial. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to keep your new tattoo clean, vibrant, and healthy, using the H2Ocean Ultimate Tattoo Care Kit. What's inside the kit? You'll find 3 key products. Blue-green foam soap, a gentle antibacterial foam that kills 99.9% of germs, removes excess oozing, reduces scabbing, soothes itching, and delivers 82 trace minerals for healing and moisture. Ocean Care, an unscented lotion with vitamins and minerals to lock in pigment, boost healing, and keep your tattoo moisturized and vibrant. Ocean Foam, an antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory foam that creates a moisturizing barrier, locks in ink, and helps prevent your tattoo from sticking to clothes or sheets. It's also great for other skin conditions like rashes or burns. 3 easy steps for tattoo aftercare. Before you start, always wash your hands thoroughly before touching your tattoo or applying any aftercare products. Day 1, the first 24 hours. Cleanse with blue-green foam soap. Apply the foam using your fingertips or a clean paper towel. Gently wash your tattoo, then rinse with warm water to remove all secretions and debris. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times throughout the day. After cleansing, apply a small amount of Ocean Care cream. Gently rub it in until fully absorbed. Repeat 3 to 5 times per day. Do not apply Foam Skin Moisturizing Foam on the first day. Day 2, begin the barrier. Continue cleansing. Wash your tattoo 3 to 4 times per day with blue-green foam soap just like day 1. Continue moisturizing. Apply Care Skin Moisturizing Cream 3 to 5 times per day. Before bed, gently apply a thin layer of Foam Skin Moisturizing Foam to your tattoo. Day 3 and beyond, maintain and protect. Wash your tattoo with blue-green foam soap morning and night until fully healed. Use Ocean Care in combination with Foam Skin Moisturizing Foam for extra hydration as needed. Apply a small amount of Foam Skin Moisturizing Foam daily to lock in ink and keep your tattoo bright and healthy. If you have any questions or need support, contact us at 772-219-8183 or visit h2ocean.com. Trust the healing power of the ocean for your tattoo aftercare.